everybody, I am leaving my local nursery, Cherry Valley Nursery, and I just got like 6 bags of soil. One of my friends is moving out of my neighborhood. I'm so sad. And she's moving up to Northern California, relocating, and she's selling her home. And so she gave me like some ginger, some lilacs, and some potatoes. They're all in grow bags. I was able to put them in my car, and I'll probably go back over and get some more stuff because she wants the stuff to go to somebody who's going to use them, which you guys know I'll use it. And when I was walking around the nursery, I did good. I only got the soil. They had some collard trees. Ooh, I was tempted. I might go back and go get me 1 or 2 of them collard trees, you guys. I was tempted, but I only have so much money till it's payday, and then my money will be gone by Tuesday after bills. So anyway, I was walking around, and you guys know Epic Homesteader, Epic Gardener Kevin. Well, they're selling his Epic garden bed, raised beds. Very, very proud of him. If you don't know who he is, look him up. And his friend Jocks, they live in the San Diego County area. I've never personally met him, but because I'm a Californian, born native California, I tend to like to pay homage and pay attention to people who are doing things in California. And Kevin from the Epic Homestead, Epic YouTube garden channel, he has his raised bed. If you go back to when he first started with YouTube many years ago, and has grown his channel and has grown his gardening business, it's just awesome. We have to support each other. So when I get some money, I'm gonna go get probably one of those small beds, but I'm kind of struggling right now. But I was just happy to see it there. And I'm in Riverside County, and San Diego County is probably, depending on where you live, an hour to 2 hours away from me, wherever he is in that county. So I'm just gonna say thumbs up and way to go to Kevin. Give him a shout out. He really don't need a shout out because he has hundreds of thousands of subscribers, but I'm just happy to see that his product is coming all the way down here to my nursery in Riverside County, Cherry Valley Nursery. So anyway, I got 2 bags of soil booster and 4 raised bed bags of soil. I still have like 2 or 3 left at home. So I'm gonna put the stuff she gave me to the side in a shady area, and I'm going to pull them out and replant them in things, in probably other containers. And she got some potatoes coming. She got some red potatoes. So, and ginger. Ginger is something I wanted, and she just gave it to me, and I don't have to go buy it. So that's a fabulous thing. I don't have to go buy ginger and it's growing. So yeah, shout out to my friend for doing that for me. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that little tidbit while I'm driving back home, and I got to get this stuff out of the car and then rest. It's 97 degrees right now in my part of California. I'm sure it'll be over 100. People don't know how to drive. Sorry. I'm sure it'll be over 100 degrees in some area, probably definitely in the desert. But yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoy your Saturday and have a safe and restful Labor Day weekend. I love you all. Bye. Hey, so I went back and got 1 collard tree and then left. Right now, my nursery, they still have a lot of raspberry, boysenberry plants, pepper plants, tomato plants. I don't need any tomatoes. I grow my own tomatoes. And right now, they have a sale by 3, I think it's Digious, I never pronounce it right, fruit trees, and get the 4th one for free. Having price of the collard tree, but it wasn't like super expensive. I wouldn't pay like a crazy amount of money. But yeah, they got a couple of trees, $36, compared to the big box store you be paying $50, $60, $85. And I've never had a collard tree. I grow collards every year, so I'm gonna look up and see. I'm pretty sure they last a while. And then, and I think I picked the best one when I was walking in. The lady was walking in, and she's like, "What kind of plant is that?" I go, "It's a collard tree." She goes, "A collard tree?" And I go, "Yeah, it's a collard tree." The guy said they just got 3 or 4 in, and there were 3 left. She goes, "Where are they?" And I pointed her, and she went right over there. It got her. I said, "Yeah, I came and got soil." And I was like, keep walking. Came right back and got it. Because I never really see this nursery carry collard trees. I've heard of them, but I never see my nursery carry them. So I thought I'd go back and get one. And then probably in an hour and a half, my mother paid for me to go get a pedicure. Because she was like, "You don't do enough stuff for yourself." I go, "Well, my garden is for myself." She was like, "Well, that's really food for the house." She goes, "You don't do anything for yourself." So she paid her nail lady to do a pedicure for me today, which that was awesome of her to do. And then my mom wants to go to Sprouts and then Lane Bryant because they have a sale. So I got to take her. So it's going to be a busy day, but I was like, she's getting her nails and stuff done now. I said, let me go back and get this collard tree. And then I have a lot of containers. I just need to figure out where I'm going to replant it. But right now, it's going to go in a secluded section just to keep away from my other plants in case there's bugs or anything. I looked at it. I didn't see anything. But you can kind of see it behind me right here. And I have plastic on my seat and everything. But yeah, I went back and got the collard tree. I couldn't pass it up. So yeah. And this collard tree was cheaper than a lot of the other ones. Just over 20 bucks. So I think it's a good deal. There's food. So I got me a collard tree. All right, everybody. This time I am signing off for the day. Have a good day. Love you all.